Welcome. This is Murat Calbay from the company Alimoglu Marble in Izmir. We are one of the leading companies in Turkey supplying travertine and various marbles from our own quarries. We are quarry owner and producer of cut-to size, tile, steps and dimensional sizes for your project need. Let me quickly tell you about our own quarries, which is Afyon Sugar, Afyon Grey, Afyon Violet, Denzili Travertine, Aqua Shadow, and our new Ivory Valencia Travertine. These materials are from our own quarries. We can produce tiles, slabs, cut-to sizes, and any dimensional cuttings for project needs. In our main Izmir factory, we have also CNC and robotic arm facilities, which I can show here. We can produce any dimensional cuttings also in CNC machines according to your project needs. So with our 3 factories, we are able to help you with any kind of projects. Thank you very much.